Alam mo ba kung bakit maraming online sellers, coaches, business owners at content creators ang laging lugi? Kasi lahat binibigay nila ng libre. Parang buffet na walang bayad.
Wow!
Pero teka lang, free taste lang dapat, hindi free table buffet. In business and in life, value is perceived by how much people are willing to exchange for it. Kung libre lahat, di wala nang halaga. Kaya nga sa grocery may free taste. You can try a piece, but not the whole tray. So kung may online course ka, online program, or online business, yes, give value. Pero wag mong ibuhos lahat. Dapat lang may free taste para kung gustong-gusto nila talaga, they'll come back and pay for it for the whole table buffet experience.
If you're good at something, never do it for free.
Ang free taste ay strategy, hindi charity. Yes, pwede ka magbigay ng free trial, free ebook, or free training, pero tandaan mo, a free taste is an opportunity to explore, to experience, and to decide kung worth ba talaga ito ng oras, effort, at pera mo. Since napag-uusapan natin ay opportunity, let me give you access to a free video training to start your online business. It's your free taste, so you can see if this kind of online business fits your lifestyle, your goals, your values. So if you're ready to explore this opportunity and what this could mean for you, take the free video training, which is your free taste. So go ahead and click the Learn More button below.